Crude oil for the day almost traded flat. It has yet failed to break past 78, 78.2, the greater resistance. Yes, a modest bullish bias, but still not willing to break beyond 78, 78.2. At the same time, net gas is almost running flat without showing any significant movement. It is trading between 1.7 to 1.72 levels. So, what to expect from gas and crude oil today? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have. I always release the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Thus, press the bell icon, subscribe the channel, and do like, share, and comment too. Your every action matters to me a lot. It motivates me to deliver twice a day consistently. And if you have not joined the channel membership, do be a part of the channel membership. Let's start. First, we'll look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. First, we'll look into hourly charts. On the hourly charts, oil is seen taking support from the 20 period moving average. I have shared this earlier today itself, and it is still trading in this bullish channel. Where are the highs? It has to just break beyond 78, 78.2. If it stays beyond these two levels, I will look forward to 78 point, rather I will say 79 levels, and beyond that, it may try to move towards $80 levels as well. Yes, if it stays above 78, 78.2, more bullishness may prevail. Right now, it is very much staying in this bullish channel. The inventory data today can bring volatility, thus you should be cautious. Stochastic rising, MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bullish crossover here. RSI is also looking upwards as of now. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation on the 2 hour chart. See the rise here, retracement towards the 20 period, and since then it is staying bullish, but it is trading with a modest bullish bias and trading in a channel here. It has to break past this channel in order to confirm the breakout. On the upside, 78.879 should be the next resistance zone if we are buying at 78, 78.2. If you look at the 2 hour charts, a bit of consolidation is seen. 20 period moving average certainly has become a support and it is trying to rise. If you look at a stochastic, this is rising. MACD is bearish here. You should be watchful of this. It can start to diverge with couple of bearish candles. RSI rising. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, yes, reversal sign after the retracement, reversal sign, and since then we have seen it looking upwards. Just be watchful at the double top levels between 78, 78.2. This is going to be a greater resistance. If it stays above this, the next candle is going to be bigger one. See, body size is increasing. It is trading with the bullish bias. I will wait for the next candle here. And yes, moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness. Stochastic rising. MACD is still bearish. RSI is rising. Coming to 4 hour. Similar observation on the 4 hour chart. See the recovery here, and since then it has been trading in this bullish channel. Good bullish channel here, looking upwards, but with modest bullish bias. The rise, the retracement, the rise here, and a possible retracement later can be seen. But right now it is not willing to retrace. That is what we can see. The stochastic rising. See, this is important. This is important. It has shown a weak-shaped recovery. It is on the verge of a crossover. This crossover can lead to bearish bias here. You have to be very, very careful. That is why I say on the upside, in fact, let's include 78.6 levels as well. So 78, 78.2 is a zone where you should be careful of. It can try to create a slightly higher highs and move towards 78.6 and show a pullback and reversal. This is what it may attempt to do. Thus, you should be careful of a notch higher from the resistance zone. And on the downside, now where to sell, that is going to be important because the selling entry has to be perfect. RSI here is overbought. Coming to the day. Now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, these two candles are identically symmetrical. There was support from the downside. There was a resistance on the upside. Where is the pivot? Pivot is at around 77, 76.8. Thus, if you see oil trading below 77, 76.8, we can expect it to drop more towards the lows here at around 76 levels. Very, very strong support exists at around 76. So for the day, I will recommend, before I give you the buying and selling entries, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch. Equip yourself with the tools which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be a part of my signals group on Telegram. Again, you can write an email or you can ping me on Telegram for any of your queries. And yes, do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and be a part of my platform forexwonder.com, where you can also schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. Now, look at this. See, certainly there was a push from the upside, and that is why prices closed lower, but it is yet to break below 77.2, 77.3 zone. Also, if you look at it, is trading in this bullish channel. Let it stay above 78.2 and beyond that certainly 78.6, 79.2, and then I will look forward to $80 levels rather, because beyond 78 certainly the bullish momentum will continue. However, you have to be alert, cautious, as long as see higher highs here will take towards 79. Just let it break below beyond the double top levels from yesterday, that is 78, 78.2 zone. Yes, you can buy here at 78. When you see the lower prices above 78, you can buy. Wait for a breakout beyond 78.2 and then 78.6, because see, achieving those levels, it can show a pullback that you should be cautious and watchful of. On the downside and beyond that, 79.2, 79, and then $80 levels is my target. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 77.2 levels, below which you can expect it to drop towards 76.8, which is going to be a very, very good support. 76.8, 76.5, you should watch out for very strong support there. Below that, it will try to move towards 76, the next strongest support. Now remember one thing, we have to be very careful. As long as 75 or 76.5 levels are not breached here, that should be a reversal confirmation, because below which it will try to hit the bottom of the channel. Take your positions accordingly. Sell at 77.2 and buy at 78 levels. In fact, you can sell at 77.4, but I will rather wait for it to break a little lower towards 77.2. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural. See, gas so far for the day has been trading in a narrow zone. It failed to break below the yesterday's lows of 1.69, and today it has just created the lows at 1.7, and it is trying to rise. It is trying to rise a little, but it was waiting for the moving average to come down, and it has just achieved the moving average. Thus, 1.72 is a level beyond which only we can confirm that it is trying to reverse. 1.7 to 1.73 zone you should watch out for more closely, because only above 1.73 further bullish momentum will increase. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent and bullish looking upwards, RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2 hour charts, yes, on the 2 hour charts the movement is simple. It can try to move towards the 20 period moving average sitting at around 1.74, 1.75 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD has just crossed over, trading with little divergence and bullishness looking upwards. RSI is coming out of the oversold levels as well. Similar observation here on the 3 hour charts as well. Here also stochastic has come out of the oversold levels, but here the important part is the crossover in MACD, and this is just the first green candle. Thus we can expect a second green candle. Prices can be expected, and yes, specifically above 1.7475 is where the bullish momentum will increase. RSI coming out of the oversold levels. Coming to 4 hour charts, similar observation here on the 4 hour charts as well. Just right now it is consolidating. Let it break the preceding highs, and then it will try to almost capture lower highs, which is situated at around 1.75 levels. The stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge a bit. A crossover here can lead to rise. RSI is still oversold. Coming to daily chart. Now look at daily charts here. Lower highs, lower lows. Where are the lows here? Yes, if it breaks below 1.69, we can look forward to 1.66, and below that more drop can take it till towards 1.64. See, 1.64, 1.66 is going to be a support zone for net gas for today, and on the upside 1.76 is the resistance zone for net gas for today. Any movement above 1.8 is a clear-cut indication that prices are reversing and there is a rally which can be expected here in net gas. As long as 1.8 is not breached, we should be cautious, and then beyond that we can expect it to rise strongly. So take your positions accordingly. Buy at 1.72 and sell at 1.69. In between these levels, do not take a position. On the downside, be careful at around 1.67, 1.65 levels. Very, very good support there, and below that more bearishness may prevail. Take your positions accordingly. And on the upside, 1.76 and 1.8 are the two levels it needs to break in order to confirm the rise. See you again tomorrow with the more updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. And do not miss to join the 29th mentorship batch. And if you want to trade as per the signals, join the signals channel. Thank you. Have a great profitable day. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you.